gather it. Yo guys, if you wanna join, please hurry up. We have 2 fights. We have 1 fight in Maldito as well. I told them after the outpost.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I could. Yo, this is a Kingmaker. Can we kill this Kingmaker, please? Dismount in the front. Try to get this. Dismount behind too. Dismount. Try to catch this guy. He's going back. He's going back. He's going back. Oh no, he's here. He's here. Catch him, please.
He's solo, by the way, so you can.
Oh my
Kill him.
god, bro. I had 1 second delay, but yeah. They're brawl. You know what? Don't chase him. Don't chase him. Don't chase him. We go northwest.
I was dismounted in front. Y'all shouldn't dismount. I will him.
Like people did not dismount in behind, bro.
Oh. Hi.
I'm gonna fight them anyway, even if you lose, doesn't matter. Do they have debuff?
I don't know.
All right. It's a
Doesn't
fight
look
against
like
brawl.
it.
Them.
They have T2 block.
Do not block value zone.
We have 2 minutes, enough time, boys. Zone in.
I think they're moving.
Endless. You have to clap with me because people gonna be low, but I don't think we will be able to finish them. So if you see a good opportunity, of course go for it. But if not, just wait for my engage.
Play Astro like Bloodletter.
Because we have 1 less DPS, we don't have our longbow here.
Oh, we block.
It's okay. Doesn't matter. We're going for fight.
Tokugawa D tank
Kawa.
here.
Oh wait,
Just
Dust
kill one.
Weaver,
There's supposed to be one
Dust
gathering.
Weaver heavy mace.
He gonna hold. So his party can brawl with us. Yo, my healers care, okay? They're gonna kill the healers first. My healers and perma care.
Family catch.
They are full brawl.
Yeah,
Full
they were
brawl.
brawl yesterday too. Yeah, come back to me, guys. Come back to me. They're everybody running brawl. Come back
They're
to me. Come back
dismounted,
to me.
but not.
Yeah, come back to me.
One guy only.
Assassin check.
Dismount when
Okay,
you
they're
see me.
dismounted.
Oh, seafood. And walk.
Yeah, they're on the north side.
We're gonna full
D-tank
kite.
heals
We're gonna
like
full
the
kite,
healers.
okay? We're gonna full kite. Come back a bit. Our one DPS is not here yet.
They are running.
Back a bit. Come back, boys. Come back, boys.
Come on.
Come back. How Deuce? Where's Deuce?
I'm here.
Everybody, look for the count. Look for me where I am, boys. Look for me where I am. We're gonna kite straight south. I'm
I look
lagging a bit,
northwest.
okay?
I look northwest.
Protect the healers, by the way.
Hey, come back to me.
Yep.
Look for me, boys. Look for me. We're gonna kite northeast through the bridge, okay? We're gonna kite northeast through the bridge. Full straight northeast after we engage. Once they start brawling with us.
I think they are here.
Okay,
on the
get
bridge.
ready. Shallow engage. Get ready. Can you GA this guy in the front? Okay, he's going back now, man.
They are D-tanks.
Yeah, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Blow them. And back now. Don't let them kite this. Don't let them pass this choke. Don't let them kite this choke. Don't let them pass. You get this carving. Walk in. Big clap. Okay.
North side shadow.
Just walk. 5 seconds. I don't know. Just walk. Everybody on me. 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, 1. Hit me now. I got silence. Hit me.
Oh.
And defend. Resi. Boys, Resi and back. I'm lagging a bit.
Cooking garden.
Resi and back. Heal my back. Hold the choke. Walk in again and stabilizer. Everybody on the choke. Get ready. 5 seconds. You get cooldowns. 5 seconds. Okay. Everybody on the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Kill this guy now. Nice. Now
Nice,
back now.
nice.
Instantly back, boys. Don't heal my friend. Heal my friend. You walk in. They engage. Don't pass the choke. Don't pass the
Long
bridge.
boys,
Okay, just
yeah.
walk. Everybody
Long
get ready.
boys,
5 seconds. Yeah. I don't know. Come. You walk in. Don't pass this bridge though. Just let them use the shit. Everybody heal my friend. Everybody get ready. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. I'm lagging. Hit me. You're nice. Go back now. I'm lagging. Okay, just call for defensive because I can't see I'm teleporting.
I mean
3
morning.
Okay. I really
just
can't see
running.
this. Okay, get ready.
I think they get it, Shadow. They get it.
Doesn't matter. We just want to kill them. It's not fun. Everybody on the west side, get ready. 5. Obviously, defend. Ready. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Hit now. On me. Wipe them. Okay, back now, back now. It's okay, back. He heals on my friend and back. Heals on my friend and beat and hold. Beat and hold. It's my Judy here. Kill the guy behind. Kill the guy. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Here on me. Brawl. Brawl. Finish him, boys. Nice. Now walk. It's okay. 5 seconds on the best. Defense. 5. Defense, boys. 4. Defense. In 3. In 2. In 1. On me now. Finish him.
Oh my god, Akbar.
Okay, now everybody go east again. Defend Rezi. And east.
Guys, east. Now,
East,
now,
boys.
east now,
East.
east
Look
now.
east. Look for the crown. Go east. You're gonna finish the guys in the east. Okay? Get ready.
And the hills.
Yeah, heals. Everybody and stabilize. You drop your duties and stuff. The guardian armors and stuff. Everybody look shallow again. On the west side again, okay? Defend. Ready. Oh my
And
God,
heals.
God. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Finish this. And go back. Only one guy died. It's okay. I know. Heals, boys. Heals. Your healers, you are stacking too much, boys. You need to spread more. Heals in the duty, heals in the stabilizer.
2 people died.
Oh, we have two less defense, okay, we have to.
No,
we
I
have
need
to play
heals,
careful.
bro.
We have to play carefully. It's okay. Heal, friend. Heal my friend, boys. Why are you not healing them, please?
They are the
Avesta died. Bro, Avesta is down. to
Everybody-
box.
head-on
He's
engage.
over here.
Head-on
What the
engage.
fuck?
They are head-on
Chalo,
engage.
chalo.
Everybody look shallow. It's okay. Look shallow. Actually, come back. Everybody come back. They are doing head and engage. Exactly. You can cleanse that shit. Look the guy on the back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish him. I'm lagging so hard, bro.
He's dead.
Right.
Nice. Guy is down. Guy is down for 3 minutes.
Can one of the healers change to the fucking thing and revive him?
Wait, where is Epster?
On the west side. You didn't hold the front. Don't let them pass. Regen if you died. Regen and come first, okay? Revive Albuster. Yeah, try not to fall hard, boys. We are fighting outnumbered, okay? Like, it's okay. I wanna kill that fucking club DPS from them. Actually, I'm
They're
gonna
actually
focus
not
on the.
running Cleric Cow Shadow. They're not running Cleric.
Can you kill
Yeah.
the Heron?
Yeah, I'm
Our cleanse Heron.
I'm trying to find the Heron. Cleanse the Heron and like I'm trying to find the Heron
Our
now.
cleanse Heron.
Okay, everybody.
Heron now?
No.
Heron.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit counter now. Nice one, boys. Nice one. Kill them.
They're dead.
Infinity coming.
Walk now. It's okay. Just walk.
And let's
And
get
heals and walk.
Nice demon.
Walk and
Punch
brawl.
the Helena.
Brawl. Finish the guys from
Draconis.
low. Everybody
Go for
get ready.
Draconis.
One more engage in 5 seconds and we're gonna wipe them now. On the west side. 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Kill this guy. He's a point. If you kill him, we're gonna win. Okay, everybody back to the bridge.
Back to the bridge, guys. Back to the bridge. Hurry.
CC them, didn't hold them, and back to the bridge, boys. Spread now.
I'm throwing me more.
Okay, good. 5 seconds again. Get royal tickets. 5 seconds again. Defend my friend. Everybody get ready. 5, walk 4, 3, and 2, 1. I'm lagging so hard, bro. On me, please. On me. And back now. It's okay. Just go back. It's fine. They can't do shit. Go back. Just go back. I have Judy. It's okay. Care friend. Yo, DPS, please don't die, okay? Please don't die. Heal my friend. I'm lagging, bro. That's why I can't do big pumps today. I don't know why. I'm gonna do shallow, okay? Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Can we? Okay, go back now. Just go back now. It's okay. Go back.
You're gonna engage.
Go back. Heal my friend. Back. Demons and back. And hold them.
On the back, there's people on the
Back. We're gonna finish the guy who's in the back. Look at the healer on the back. If you walk again.
He
Walk again.
At least don't mind.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. It's everything, boys. Wipe them now. Oh my God, this is our damage, boys. Yeah, now go back and stabilize. Heal my friend.
I didn't have CD.
No demon.
Oh, okay. Go back. Do you guys have CD now?
Have CD.
This is gonna keep regearing. It's okay. We're gonna keep farming, guys. This is gonna keep regearing. All DPS have CD now?
Yes.
Okay. Walk now. Shallow. Hold.
They're
Do I
walking.
have spike? Pika, you're alive, right? Okay.
They're walking west.
Okay, we're gonna go back to this bridge after engage, okay? Here, heal my friend. Okay, heal my friend. Okay, this guy on our north. Parma, be ready. Okay, now he go back. On this tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this tank.
They're
And
gonna
go back now. Just go back. Go back to the bridge. Just go back. Bait them
At
in.
least careful.
Please come back. Do not overextend, man. We are fighting outnumbered.
And let's
Heal
get.
my friend. Heal my friend. Heal my friend. Heal my friend. And back now. Back now. Back now. Back now. Back now. Back, boys. Back.
Just
Back.
use everything, use everything, use everything.
I know. We have cooldowns, bro. We have cooldowns.
The
Back now.
GM
Back
is
now.
down,
Back
the
now.
GM is
Back now. Back
Heals
now.
in
Back.
front.
Back.
Heals in
Okay.
front.
Bait them in. Bait them in. Just bait them in. Everybody shallow. Get ready.
At least
Bait them in. Bait them in. Everybody walk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. 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 And go back now. Go back now. We got one. We got one. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Drop your face kills and night armor, please. Please come back, boys. Guys, come back. You're gonna get clapped. You need to heal my friend. Heal my friend. Heal my friend. Heal my friend.
front, clapping front.
The
It's
GS,
fine. I'm
GS.
demon. I'm demon. They won't go.
Okay, get ready. Get ready. 5,
Yes.
4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. 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 Nice, boys. Nice. Now back now. Back now. Back now. Back now. Back now. Back, boys. Please do not brawl with them. Please do not. They're gonna keep re-getting.
I
killed one.
Yes, we're gonna keep killing them slowly. We're gonna keep farming them.
Oh, they engage.
Heal my friend.
they
Everybody.
can-
5 seconds again. 5 seconds again. 5 seconds. Do you guys have
Oh,
CD?
10 seconds for me. 10 seconds for
You
me.
guys
10
have CD?
seconds.
Okay. Come back, boys. Come back. Look, they just keep re-getting. I'm lagging. I don't know why, bro.
Loot if you can. It's like
Ready.
We're gonna die here. We're gonna die till we like all of us wipe. Okay, deep engage west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Massive, boys. Massive.
Nice, man.
Okay, almost had him, bro. Come back, boys. Do not go in. Please, back now. You heal my friend. Heal my friend. Demon. And back. They're brawling with our back line. That's the main problem, you know. And go back. Everybody, now get ready, shallow now. Stay here. Don't go. 5, 4, 3. Go. In the choke. In 2. In 1. On the choke now.
Nice row of purity, guys. Nice fucking.
Now go back
row.
now. We almost killed
Back
them.
line, back line,
Heal my
back
friend. Yeah, I
Pikachu's
know.
gonna die.
I drop my duty here and go back to the bridge. Go back. Walk again. Brawl with these guys here.
they're just looting, man.
Shadow.
It's okay. I'm lagging. It's
Yes,
okay. I know. Walk in. Let this. Yeah, nice. Now we
They're
go deep.
fully
We go
running.
deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Kill this healer.
They're just running.
Nice
One of
clap.
them is
Now
moving.
go back. Don't push. Just go back. Trust me. They can still kill us because they're brawl. Go back. You kill the guy on our back. Kill the guy on the back. Kidnap him.
They engage.
Heals.
No, this is fine.
Okay, 5 seconds. 5 seconds again. Deep engage in 5 seconds. On the heat and in 5, in 4,
At least
in
no
3, 2, 1. On me. This is it.
GA.
Oh my god, bro. Use your guardian boot. Like, grab for boot. Heal
The
the
fuck,
whole
misclick.
They're running. They're
yeah.
fully running. Keep
Keep pushing. I don't know. Keep pushing. Heal my friend. Keep pushing.
You're too
Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Everybody.
Shadow, you want me to
Deep
set up?
south. 5, in 4. Just walk. In 3, in 2, in 1. On me now. Kill this two.
Shadow, keep walking. I'm on it.
Yeah, finish the guys behind and keep walking. Kill this longbow.
Shadow. Southeast.
So keep walking. Southeast? Okay. My bad.
Southeast.
They're across the bridge.
Okay, bro. I am lagging so hard I can't see shit, bro.
They waste
Careful,
demon.
Keep walking. If you're behind, mount up. If you're behind, mount up and catch
More of them now.
Black now.
Definitely, don't push blindly. Okay, don't push blindly. Keep walking. We won't let them get out.
Oh.
On me, 5,
Heal
4,
me.
3, 2, 1. Hit this guy on me. You guys, I don't know why you guys walking into the fucking
Heals,
thing, bro.
heals,
I'm
heals,
doing
heals,
shallow
heals.
engage. You guys walking into the fucking thing even in shallow engage. That's why I'm deep.
They're just fully running. They're regearing and fully running.
Yeah, we're gonna keep catching them. Keep walking. It didn't.
Shadow.
Bro, I have cooldown. Okay, 5 seconds in shallow engage. 5 seconds. Okay.
They're
Just
looking.
hold. It's okay.
No, they're not looking.
Everybody shallow. 5. After this night armor. 5. Deep. 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Just kill this tank. Kill this tank. Don't let him go.
Use front.
Kill this tank, boys. Keep walking in and defenses be ready. Keep walking. I'm gonna catch this healer in 5 seconds. Actually, we're gonna kill this tank first. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this tank on me. He's not getting a single heal. Now keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Okay, heal my friend, heal my friend, heal my friend, and keep walking. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Don't let them get out. We're gonna fuck them up. Just kill them slowly. I know. 5 seconds, 10 seconds on my thing. Heal Florentine,
Demon-
bro.
demon-
Florentine, you're getting out of position, bro. Like, don't be so obvious in the front, bro. Like, stay on the sides if you're in the front. 5 seconds on me. Get ready. Set up a good flank for me. Everybody deep south. Walk in. Actually, on these guys, on these 3 guys. 5, 4, in 3, 2, 1. On me now. On me now. Can I have DPS here? Nice. We kill
Nah,
only
they're
one.
coming
It's
back.
okay.
Carry cows. They're coming back. Carry cows.
It's okay. We're gonna keep fighting them. Go back now.
They're
Go back
looking,
now.
they're
Back now.
looking.
Yeah, no, go back now. Keep distance. They're gonna engage soon. Keep care.
I'm gonna demon.
Spread now. We on this guy on this side is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Wipe them.
Shadow, this is that Terry. Yeah?
Nice,
This is
nice,
that Terry.
nice.
It's okay. Defense be ready. Defense. Defense.
Heavy base at the right.
Behind. Everybody turn behind and walk behind. You're gonna walk over this.
I stop them.
These are rats. Leave that. Leave rats. Don't chase. Everybody look.
Okay.
Be ready southeast. We're gonna hit southeast. Okay, we're gonna hit southeast on this Kingmaker. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this Kingmaker. But what are the DPS doing, bro? What is the DPS doing? Everybody back now.
With the
Yes, southeast clear.
Heal my friend. DPS, man, wake up! Don't fucking waste your E. You're gonna die if you waste. Go north. Go southwest, not north. Go southwest now. Don't waste your E, DPS, man. If I see you wasting your E, bro, I'm gonna fucking flame you so hard. Shallow engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. This is what we can do when we play together, bro. Now spread now.
Meeting stone.
It's okay. Go
running.
north now. Go north.
There's in this.
More coming. Go back. More
It's
Okay,
coming.
bro, it's okay. No
One
fucking
escape.
fear. We can do it. No fucking fear. Keep going north.
It's
Everybody on
52
this guy.
brother.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hit this guy. And heal Pavi, please.
Yo, finish off this guy. Please, finish off.
Finish him, boys. Finish him.
Nice, okay. Go.
Oh, no.
Don't stay.
Everybody keep like kite north. Listen
I'm
to
gonna
me,
demon.
kite
Demon.
north. Demon on this Astral. 5 seconds. Is it a different party or the same guys?
Bro,
No, it's a lot of people.
Keep going north. Northeast.
Shadow.
You're gonna
Northeast
get
a lot.
out. I know.
Yeah,
It's
we need
okay.
to get out,
Walk
we need
in.
to get
No fear.
we need to get
fear.
out, bro.
Analyst, heal analyst.
No, they're not
analyst.
chasing. They're not chasing.
Analyst, help analyst. Everybody walk.
Oh, at least
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now.
They're looking.
खेल रहा हूँ ना मैं. Everybody come southeast. Don't go there. Southeast, boys. Southeast. Everybody southeast. Southeast. Yes. South and east. Come here. Listen to me, boys. Where are you?
We got G8.
Sika. Yeah, south and east, bro. We're gonna kill all of them, bro. Like, no fear.
I'm looking
We're
south.
gonna die
1d10
here, no
look
problem.
West, 1d10 west.
Keep going back. No fear. Keep going back.
I'm lagging.
Southeast. Keep pushing southeast. Push southeast on this carving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this carving inside. Oh, like, come on, man. When I'm
Move,
calling for
guys,
engage,
move,
you don't
move.
like push the carving, please. Everybody come east. Follow the crown. Don't get caught, boys. I didn't feel for my
Backline, careful.
It's okay. We're good. One guy comes.
They come in.
One guy at the back.
Spread here.
More people at the back.
Two
Keep
different
kiting,
They're fighting each
listen.
other.
I know. Just come to me. If you are with crown, you'll be fine. On me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Bro, like, we're gonna farm this retard, bro. Like, trust me. I'm telling you guys. Because no fucking fear. And go back and southeast now. Keep pushing southeast again. Southeast, boys. Southeast. Look for the crown.
Wait,
Move with the crown.
Where's Toxic out, party? The DC. Shadow. Invite Toxic.
Just come follow me, boys. I can't see. Accept infinite party. Now turn. Shallow engage, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy now. Okay, it's okay. Everybody come southeast. Come southeast. No, they're trying to... Come southeast. Come southeast. Look for me, boys. Look where I am.
They're dismounting.
I know, it's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Just
yeah.
follow me. Just follow me.
Northeast.
I know my tanks can watch them, right? Just walk with me. Okay, get ready on this Kingmaker 5.
Kill this unstack.
Okay, you back up. No worry, no worry. Just wait. Just wait.
Oh my god.
Everybody come back.
Yo, can we get Oxy in Bucky first, Lamau?
And why can you accept? He's not even acting up, bro. Like, come on. I sent. He says you're
the
busy, bro. It says
Two
you're
different
busy.
parties.
Okay, now we turn. Shallow engage. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, and 2, 1. Hit me. Kill this guy. Can you finish him? Okay, go back now. It's okay. Go back. You're demon.
Come to me. Come to me.
Heal,
careful,
Raj. Everybody out.
Ah.
Nice.
Shit.
Bro, what the fuck was that, bro? No defenses and shit. Out, everybody out. D-tanks hold. Everybody get out. Everybody out. We cannot.
Fuck,
Everybody
I'm
out.
dead.
Yeah, just out. We fight for so too long. Out and mount up.
Hey, them so lagging.
I don't know. I was lagging too, bro. Out. It's okay.
Can
We
he
had
run?
good.
Can he run to the gate?
Bro,
That's a long fight.
Yeah, but what happened to our defenses? I called for defenses, right?
No, they run away from